Nigeria, Africa. Your boy Churchman, presented to the travelers. And right about now, about to hit the road for the East African discovery. Yeah. Oh, it's dirty. Oh, it's not a problem because we are tourists. This is
problem, baby.
yeah. Right about now, we're taking a boat cruise. Yeah, a boat cruise. Yeah. Yeah. Now the video how they do.
Guy, now from Nigeria we come,
Yeah.
we enjoy, we explore.
Too good travel.
I dey tell you, guy,
Yeah.
we explore Uganda every time.
I did tell you. And right about now, we're about to take a boat cruise.
Guy,
And this is my brother from Nigeria.
Yahoo boy.
This is you're a Yahoo girl, eh? This is a Yahoo girl.
think on Kasai,
I don't understand. African queen. This is Two Faces African queen.
Tell us what's wrong with your contact. What's wrong with your contact? I'm alive.
Yeah, hello guys. We're about to take a boat cruise. And Sippy Falls. Really? And I know you are enjoying yourself, right? Oh my goodness. And this is my friend from Uganda again. I hope you're having a nice time, huh? Becky, right? You're good? Oh my God. You know, this is why I kills the Nigerian guys, huh? Yeah. And we're back. Nah, you watch. Yes, yes, that's what's up.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Nice to meet you.
And you too.
My name is Samuel, and I'm going to be your guide, but I have a breakdown. So, welcome to Murchison National Park, the largest conservation area within Uganda, covering a total area of about 3,893 square kilometers. We are going to move a 3-hour journey. Hello. Let us first get this briefing, then the canals, the baboon apple, and the acacia sodrianas. As you can see, there is that tree which is having some holding fruits. Those dropping down. That's the Lepidoptera africana. It's mostly enjoyed by elephants, baboons, but human is something like a medicine to us.
Yeah, what up guys? We're still on the boat cruise, as you can see. We are expecting to see some crocodiles. Yes. You should be here in Uganda. Uganda is a beautiful country, okay? If you want to come down to Uganda, you're called to Good Travels. Hi guys. My name is George.
On our left there are some hippopotamus.
Churchman.
Okay. These are semi-aquatic animals. So they can go up to about 3,000 kilograms. Being caught in the water in that, they normally come out to race during 9 hours. Yeah, their skin is not good for sunshine. So they live in a group known as a school, and in a school we only find one dominant male. They have a gestation period of about 8 to 9 months, and they demarcate their routines from water by polishing their feces. Wherever they go, they can move on in a distance of about 7 to 10 kilometers from water. There is that bird, the yellow stork, that big white bird.
He stopped.
Whenever a hippo gives birth to a male, at least they will hide it out from the school. The because the dominant male will like to kill it. You may think that it will take over, yet it is only one.
That's a hippo. That's a hippo, okay.
One is just like that.
Wow. And it's pregnant. Oh, this big. Wow. Shit. That one is pregnant. This is a community of hippo.
It's a school. It's a school.
Now, as per now, this water sharp. So, Sebo, how do they feed?
Wow. It's like community.
Oga, it's a school.
A school.
Yeah. It's a community.
I think this is the father. This is the king. Hello, king. Wait, this is a video. Okay.
There is the African jackanapes there, the smaller one, and the big one.
Wow.
The Goya parrot. One here. Then the other side is the Goya parrot. So these are like
Hello, guys.
3 schools. At least in each there is one dominant male.
It's a school.
Shouting, making some vocal sounds. They are saying, I'm around, don't come. At times, even at least this sound can affect them.
Wow.
Hippos are deadly when you meet with them. They won't eat you, but they will just tear you to pieces.
Yeah, this is my friend, Innocent. Where are we?
We are in Murchison Falls,
Murchison Falls.
area and conservation.
Okay.
Yeah, right now we are walking through the Sir Samuel Baker route, heading to the top of the falls.
The falls, okay.
Yeah, it will take us about 45 minutes to get there.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm sure having a good time. I don't know about you.
I'm having a fantastic time here.
What about you? Okay. You make sure you visit Uganda. Uganda is a very beautiful country. When you need one, call us. 2 Good Travels. We'll take you there. Yeah? Right about now, we're at the Murchison waterfall. As you can see, we made it to the top. Yeah. Wow. You can see. That's what's up. That's the rainbow color. That's it. And there's everybody there. That's it. Wow. Woo. Crazy, man. Now see the rainbow. It's beautiful, man. Now see the rainbow color. Oh. Perfect. Ooh, man. Oh. It's a perfect place to be for your holiday. Holiday trip is that, man? Yeah, There's a waterfall. Yeah. Yeah, this is me, Churchman, reporting for Two Good Travels. Right about now, we are done with the tour, trying to cross our vehicle to be able to connect. Yeah. You can see. Okay. It's carrying out. Yeah. Cross it over. And this is the Oga. This is Uganda Oga.